Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to install Git on Windows system. You can install Git on Windows, Linux or Mac. We will use Windows system throughout our course. Also, I will tell you how we can install Git on a Linux system because it is very important to use Linux system. In this video, we are installing Git on only Windows. Next video will be on the Linux machine. Now, first of all, we need to download Git binary. This is the website. From here you can download this. Even you can write into the Google, download Git, you will get this first page. Here we have binary for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. I am having Windows, so I am going to select Windows, and this is our processor, right? If you have 32-bit processor, you can download 32-bit version. If you have 64-bit, you can download 64-bit. It is working with any system. There is no specific system requirement. I have downloaded the 64-bit version. Okay, so it is already in my system. Now I am going to this folder and I am going to start installation. It is 64-bit Git 2.43 version. Okay, so I am going to double click and it will start installation. Installation process is very easy. Okay, next, here it is asking me about like C drive program file. Git is going to install over here. Okay, next. Now it is asking me about the components. We are not going to change anything. Okay, so I'm just going to click on next, 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 and install. We will discuss about all these options step by step. Okay, what is rebase and all this. You don't need to worry about this. In the first phase, we are just installing Git. Okay, now once your Git will be ready, we can use Git using two ways. Yes, one command line and the second one is graphical user interface. Okay, the command line is known as Git bash, and the good thing is in the Git bash you can use any Linux command. Okay, so now my installation is ready. It is asking me to launch Git bash. I am saying no right now. Let's finish this. Okay, this is installation release note. Now I am going to search this so you can open Git bash. Okay, now when you click on Git bash, it will open this. Okay, this is the first window. You can press Ctrl+ to zoom it. 1 second. Yeah, and you can increase the size. Now here it is my Git bash and I can start version control system. Okay, same way if you want to use graphical user interface, we have Git GUI. Okay, and this will also provide you graphical view, right? It is directly asking me about the create repository or many things, but we are not going to use graphical user interface. Friends, don't use this. Why? Because once you will start this, okay, then you will habitate to use only graphical user interface, and in the Linux world, we are not having graphical user interface, and then we will face difficulties. Okay, so we want to learn command line, and in between, if I can represent a very easy way to understand, okay, I will use graphical user interface, otherwise not. So now our system is ready with Git. I hope you are also ready. In the next video, we will start installation of Git in the Linux machine, and then regularly we are going to use this. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.